Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here. And OnePlus released their Pad tablet a little while ago. I will link to my video down below if you missed it. But now they released a more budget-friendly version, the OnePlus Pad Go. This is an 11.35-inch 90 Hz display tablet with the Helio G99 processor from MediaTek. So we're gonna take a quick look what comes inside and then of course get some hands-on with this new tablet from OnePlus. Let's get started. Here it is, the new Pad Go from OnePlus in the twin mint color. Let's open the top right away. We have the tablet. We're gonna set that to the side for just a second, see what else we get. You have some booklets, including your red cable club that OnePlus does, a micro SD ejection tool, quick guide, safety guide. We have our signature red and white charging cable, USB Type A to USB Type C, and the charging brick at 33 watts with USB Type A. It's a quick look at the specs. Anyways, that's it. On to what you came to see. Let's take the plastic off of our Pad Go from OnePlus. Take the sticker off. A quick look at that twin mint color. I do like the two-tone contrast, but we are gonna boot this up for the first time and take a closer look at the overall hardware of this tablet. So down at the bottom is absolutely nothing. Along the right side, we've got a speaker, our USB Type-C port, microphone, another speaker tuned by Dolby Atmos. Now up at the top here, we have a quick look at the camera bump, very minimal overall. Another microphone and our volume rockers are up towards the top. On the left side here, so that upper left is where that power button is. Speaker, there's our SD card slot for expandable storage, another speaker there. A quick close-up of the back with the OnePlus logo, that two-tone coloring overall, and that camera, that is an 8-megapixel rear camera. Anyways, I'm gonna run through the setup process, just talk about anything that is noteworthy. So there is no fingerprint scanner, so let's set up the face unlock. Okay, I'm gonna do my best to do this around the camera. Oh my gosh, that was probably the fastest face unlock I have ever seen. We'll test that out once we get to the home screen. All right, we are all set up and ready to go with our OnePlus Pad Go. Switching up the wallpaper, this is an 11.35-inch 2408 by 1720 IPS LCD display. This tablet also has a 90 Hertz refresh rate, which looks like it's enabled out of the box, which is nice to see out of this tablet, higher than 60 Hertz going into display and brightness. Let's double check, maybe switch it over to dark mode. And there's high screen refresh rate set to high, so that's set to that 90 Hertz, or you can bump it down to 60 Hertz if you'd like to save some battery life, but I'm gonna keep it on 90 Hertz. So let's check out some multitasking. We can go into the weather app here, and then if you press and hold, it looks like you have to press and hold this icon to bring up this bar where you can go into all of your applications right there. Also a quick shortcut to your recent files, which is nice. If you've taken some pictures, you can click and drag them into applications. However, you also can maybe just press and hold, drag it out. Looks like weather doesn't support side by side, so it did open in the pop-up window, which is another very useful feature because you can drag, here, let me close out of that, drag this app around and you'll see. So this floating app will just sort of sit there and you can use it, you know, separately from the app that's behind it. How about we try something that actually does go into split screen? So pressing and holding there and maybe going to the gallery. There we go. So that will actually open up in split screen side by side where you can press the middle button and just resize it left and right depending on how large you want the specific apps to go. If you tap in the middle, you can swap sides or save as an app group. Speaking of the gallery and the camera app, going into it for the first time there, let's go into it. Again, don't expect crazy great pictures out of the rear camera, but you can zoom in 2x, which is digital zoom, but also video mode, selfie, and more. Realistically, with a tablet, doesn't need to, cameras don't necessarily need to be the focus, maybe for video calling, but that's just about it for me. I always pull out my phone to take pictures. Quickly, let's go into settings and check out some special features. First of all, split view, something I forgot to show off. With 2 fingers swiping down, that will split the application where you can open another one. So if we go into the messaging app, there we go. Side by side, we've got 2 applications open. That's a nice little gesture special feature. Flexible window is opening those floating windows that I showed off a little bit earlier. And then dual window, that's for specific apps, quick return, and smart sidebar that you can completely customize. So if you swipe over from the right there, you have some quick shortcuts that you can get to. Obviously, you do have auto rotate, so you can use this tablet vertically as opposed to horizontally, but let's actually test out that face unlock, shall we? So going to the lock screen here, let's press this button and notice that padlock right there unlocked just about right away. I'm gonna look at it again from behind the camera, and there we go. I didn't actually mean to swipe from the corner there to open the camera. I'm gonna swipe up right away as soon as I unlock it. So unlock, swipe, dang it, I didn't swipe far enough. One more try, here we go, unlock, swipe. That is so fast, so crazy fast face unlock on the Pad Go. So anyways, that's everything I want to talk about for now with the OnePlus Pad Go. Drop a comment, let me know what you think. Nice to see other options in Android tablets in the market. OnePlus is releasing multiple, so that's great to see. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe as well. And as always, thanks for watching.